Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your OPPO Pad Air. So at the start we have to open the Google folder and look for the photos. If you don't have this app, install it from the Google Play Store. Now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Oh, sorry. That's a movie, so it's not fit. Okay, choose the photo, like this one, and now just tap on the Google Lens. And whole process starting automatically, and you are looking for similar or exactly same image in the Google database. As you can see, there you have a exactly same image that we searched before. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.